Key points in type of carding. It includes following: computer, software, MAC address changer, CC cleaner, RDP, drop, and credit card. So this is CC. There are four types of CC which are Discover, Mastercard, Visa, and Amex. If you don't know about them, I will cover this in upcoming videos. So let's start to understand each one by one. First one is computer. Always do carding with computer. I do not recommend using mobile device. However, you can do it by using mobile also, but it involves risk that you may get caught by legal authorities. Then software. So why should you have software address? So firstly, what is SOX? SOX stands for Socket Secure. It is internet protocol which allows client and server traffic pass through proxy server, so real IP gets hidden and proxy is reflected. This is useful while carding because the carder wants to use credit card holders' location while doing it. So why it is used to bypass internet blocks? It has no program, protocol or traffic limitation, faster and more reliable connection, few error and improved performance, and many more things. You should always purchase software and use it. Do not use free socks while doing carding. MAC address changer. MAC stands for Media Access Control. It is unique address of every network, interface card and IC. A MAC address changer allows you instantly to change the MAC address of an IC instantly. It is required to be anonymous and safe. Suppose there is particular server who have blacklisted your IP address and you want to access it. So how would you will access it? It is simple. You can spoof your MAC address using various software which are available in the market. You can Google it or you can even use YouTube and you will find many things how you can spoof MAC address in simple way. You will get new MAC address and then you will connect through server. It will allow you because the server don't know who is using because you have new MAC address. CC cleaner. It is very useful tool, helps in cleaning your browsing history, cookie, temp file, etc. Many people ignore this part and get caught, so be careful and don't forget to use it because there are temp file, cookie file, browsing history which are very important and it may reveal your identity if you do not clean it time to time. So while performing carding, always use CC cleaner in the starting. VPN. What is VPN? A VPN is virtual private network which gives you online privacy, anonymity by creating a private network from public internet connection. VPN masks your IP address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure encrypted connection to provide greater privacy than even a secured Wi-Fi hotspot. Example. Suppose a person is using now ExpressVPN and government want to know what he is doing. So government will go to ExpressVPN office and they will tell them, please show your logs of user. So in that case, if company provides its log to the government, then what you have visited, what you were doing using VPN also can be traced and you may get trouble. So it is very important to use which type of VPN. I personally recommend Viper VPN and ExpressVPN because I think they are safe. It is absolutely my choice. Then comes RDP. What is RDP? RDP allows one computer to connect with another computer within the network. It is Internet Protocol by using Microsoft. Basically, carder use it to connect to a computer on the geolocation of the person whose credit card owner want to use. So it is used for safety and stay safe anonymous. Here carder using others PC for doing carding instead of their own to remain safe. So there are various RDP available like AWS, which is of Amazon, Google's Quick Lab, and various other. Always use paid RDP. Drop. So what is drop? Drop is an address which carder uses for shipping address in the carding process. Let me explain in detail with an example. If I am carding with US credit card, then I use US address as a shipping address. They will order, then will be shipped successfully and I will be safe. So the order will come to US address only, which is billing address to the drop. If you have relatives or friends, then there is no problem. Otherwise, use sites who provide drop services, and you have to pay them few amount. So it is very important to use them. So Viabox and many more other dropping services I recommend because their services are very good. Because most of the product I card, I use these sites only. Because there is difference between billing address and shipping address. Billing address is one address of actual credit card owner's address, and shipping address is your address where the product will be delivered. In case I am from India, I have USA credit card. So what I will do, I will provide, suppose I am visiting Amazon, I want to buy a product using his credit card. Since he lives in USA, I will search in sites which like BinDB and many more sites which tells us complete detail about particular credit card, in which country it is, what is the branch of bank. I will choose nearby location and I will include it in billing address. But I will put shipping address of drop address so that drop shipping person will take the order, and then within a few days these drop shipping people will come to my actual address and they will give me particular product. So in this case I have received my product in easy way. This is most important step, because if you mistake in this step, then there are chances that you may get caught red-handed. So now we are coming to most important part, that is credit card. So this is very, very much important. So read it carefully. And credit card, it is in the following format as it is shown below. Credit card number, expiry date, CVV code, name of card, address, city, country, zip code, and many more. This is randomly taken number, credit card detail, as you can see, CVV, expiry, nation, name, address, and many more things. The credit card will look like this when you will buy from Surface Web or DeepPack. So if you follow all these steps properly, I have seen most of the people which are modern carders use all steps properly, but they get caught. Why they caught? Because of their browser. Because while performing carding, you should make sure that you are anonymous, because one mistake will lead you in jail because it is illegal. So FraudFox and anti-detect browser are very much important in carding. I will explain it in detail in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching video. So list of working email created by your own Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook Mail. This email you should have, because company will send product updates on this email address. You should not use temporary email, because there are chances that they will not process your purchase good, because nowadays the systems are more secure and they can detect what is fraud and how to cancel the particular trade. So thank you.